Hey everybody. So I'm using my phone to do my Halloween room tour. I hope you guys like it, and I'm going to show you a 360 and then I'll try to explain what I have. So here we go. Okay, so that noise was my dog, so just ignore her. Anyways, let's start over here. So I have my skull dude. Supposed to have a pumpkin, but I think it's in my closet. Candle from Bath Body Works is pumpkin apple, and the lid that goes with it. And then bubbles next to the candle. This is from Burlington's store. My parents got for me. Leaves are from Dollar Store, of course. The ghost lights are old and just that we have them and I wanted to use them. And I like to color these velvet coloring thingies. I get them at Michael's. And then my Halloween lights, I think, are from Fred Meyer last year for clearance. And then the bat, we just, had for years and I wanted to use it. And then the Skull Guy garland is from Target from last year. And over here, my new blanket for my birthday this year. And another one of the coloring thingies. And then up there, I have two pumpkins that are from Dollar Store. I think it's Dollar Store from last year. Yeah. And then the pumpkin way up there with the small pine cone is from Hobby Lobby from last year. The Scarecrow dude is from Dollar Store. And then my two Beanie Babies. Yes, I have a turkey up there. Anyways, oh hi. The one pumpkin is real in the center, and the others are from Dollar Store. So as the owls, and then what else? The purple pumpkin is from, I think, Goodwill or Valley Village. And then the pumpkin with the front of the bat is from Walmart. And the bat and the black cat down there I got for my birthday. And then my mummy, that's a Beanie Baby. And then some leaves and pine cones from last year that I used. And my sage for my crystals up there. And then my window, just window stickies and all that. And those are pumpkins, as you can see, the green one you can see. And then orange lights. And then another color thing. And another pumpkin. But this was shiny. So two, they're originally from Target. But I think I got one from Goodwill and the other one from Valley Village, but I'm not sure, with some leaves. And then I have my pumpkin thing with cinnamon and some pine cones from the dollar store and twinkly orange lights that change. Twinkles, also from Target this year, and make a spare from Christmas. And that's about it. I hope you guys like my Halloween tour, and happy Halloween, and I'll talk to you guys in November. Bye, guys.